Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com, and this is your AM Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for educational purposes only. None of this should be construed as investment advice. Consult your financial professional. Options have risk. And with that, let's talk about the market. Well, here we are, and we're coming off a very long weekend, and the VIX is only up 0.45. So adjusted for the weekend, I would have expected VIX to be up about 9/10 or 1%, maybe 1.1%, all other things being equal. Coming off this weekend with only a 0.45, that actually means volatility is down today. If you don't believe me, take a look at the VIX futures, which are all going to be down. And that's really what where you can clearly see that, yes, volatility is down. We have September expiration tomorrow, and that's currently, you can see 1260, 1270, so trading at a 30-cent premium. And we have the September regular future now trading below 14, and all futures are below 18 out to December. Nice little spread between December and January. Primarily because of Christmas. That tends to be the case, especially with the 21st getting backing right into the Christmas holiday when we have a lot of time off. That tends to happen. Not as much down movement in September as we do see in some of the weeklies in front of it, but still a nice sale day in VIX. With that, you can see VVIX, which also should pop, is up slightly. That's another sign that, in fact, again, vol is down. Looking around, take a look at your FANG stocks. Amazon is up almost 0.75%. Google's up 0.6%. Nice move there. Facebook is up 86 cents, 7/10, over 127 now. That's been on a rally. Looks like it's heading back to 130. The big mover, Alibaba. And this is one that we talked about on Friday. We actually gave out a trade that we liked. We pointed people toward in our chat room for the September par calls, and they have done exceedingly well. And in fact, we're regretting dumping 60% already, but I'm going to put one more out there. I did small. I should have done a lot more of these. But you can see that, Alibaba, the Chinese, that's really taking off. So that's kind of the big FANG that's moving. Netflix is up nicely as well. Another nice one, up 2%. So that one is moving around. Where are we a little soft? Take a look at JP Morgan. Take a look at the Transpos. They've had a huge run, financials and Transpos. They're off a touch today, not much. If the S&P gets a little bit of a rally from here, those will all get picked up. But on the day, the Qs and the NASDAQ is definitely the leader this morning relative to the balance of the S&P 500, where it's up small, but the other markets are up a lot bigger, with vol in nicely. Take a look at Tesla, a little bit of a dead cat bouncy day today after getting absolutely pummeled the last few days. Valiant making a run at 30. So there's some interesting things that we may look at in our chat room today in Tesla and Valiant. We'll also maybe take another crack at looking at Alibaba. And then potentially some of these financials. So that's kind of on our card today. Other than that, we're expecting a slow day. Watch bonds. If they start to move around, that could affect the market. Oil as well. Oil down a touch today. Vol is creeping higher in oil, so that's something very important to watch. And then you've got your GLD that is up again, pointing toward no rate hike in September, which I think most people now agree with me on. It ain't going to happen. Maybe we'll get December in terms of rate hikes. All right, folks. If you got questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com. You can call me 888-TRADE-01. Keep an eye out for our next webinar of the month, and make in the Friday's email that I put out with the trade idea of the week, there was my free download of an ebook, which was my VIX ebook. So make sure that you, if you didn't download it, that you open that email and read it. And if you're not an email subscriber, that's something you need to change. All right, folks. On that note, I hope everybody has a great morning, and I will talk to you soon.